Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something that should be a priority in every home: the Kidde 9V battery-operated smoke detector. If you're looking for the best smoke alarm in the market, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to find out why this smoke detector is a must-have for your safety. Now, before we dive into the details, let's take a closer look at the Kidde Smoke Detector. The Kidde Smoke Detector is a battery-operated smoke alarm that comes packed with features to keep you and your loved ones safe. Here are some key features that make it stand out. This advanced technology detects invisible fire particles associated with flaming fires, providing early warning when you need it most. Powered by a 9-volt alkaline battery, the Kidde smoke alarm ensures continuous protection, even during power outages. It's a breeze to install, making it accessible for everyone. When smoke or fire is detected, an 85 decibel alarm will sound, alerting you promptly. Easily test the smoke detector and silence false alarms caused by cooking or steam from showers. This smoke detector comes with a 10-year limited manufacturer's warranty, and it meets various safety standards. So, why is the Kidde smoke detector the best choice for your home? Let's talk about the advantages. Thanks to its ionization sensor technology, it detects flaming fires quickly. You can install it anywhere, and it keeps working during power outages. The Test This button and easy installation make it a user's delight. At 85 decibels, you won't miss it even in your deepest sleep. With a 10-year limited warranty, you're covered for the long haul. Users love the Kidde smoke detector for its ease of installation, great value, and reliable performance. Some even mention that it's a cheap yet essential safety upgrade. Now, one important tip. While the Kidde smoke detector comes with a battery included, it's recommended to replace it with a high-quality alkaline battery when needed for optimal performance. In conclusion, the Kidde 9V battery-operated smoke detector is a top-notch choice for ensuring the safety of your home and loved ones. It's affordable, easy to install, and backed by a 10-year warranty. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. See you next time on Product Critique.